Introducing the unique features of the Medi+Products Standalone system, designed to provide flexibility and efficiency in powering your appliances within the same room. Housed in a sleek, off-white cabinet, the system's vertical design stands on the floor and is supported by your wall, taking up less than 1 square foot of space. These systems can support both large and small appliances for short or extended runtimes of 2 to 72 hours. They can be sized in many combinations between 1200 to 8800 watts, with 1 to 19 kilowatt hours of battery capacity. Equipped with multiple hospital-grade outlets and a 12-gauge, 10-foot heavy-duty power cord that plugs directly into a standard wall outlet, this setup allows your appliances to plug directly into the power system. This plug-and-play setup enables an easy point-of-use installation and startup, eliminating the need for a licensed contractor. In addition to being noiseless and fumeless, Medi+Product battery backup systems are customizable and contain safe spill-proof batteries. They are housed inside expandable modular cabinets and feature an audible low battery alarm and an immediate internal transfer switch. This provides conditioning and protection from overloaded circuits, outages, brownouts, power spikes, and surges. Whether you're looking for a flexible, space-saving, reliable power backup, the Medi+Products Standalone system delivers it all, ensuring uninterrupted operation in critical environments. Contact us today to learn more about how the Standalone system can enhance your operations efficiency and reliability. Why choose risk? Choose peace of mind. Choose Medi+Products.